Hi, in this video we will be talking about long-distance love. Watch this video to the end to learn how this can help your relationship. Welcome back to Relationship Facts. In the realm of modern romance, long-distance relationships have become an increasingly prevalent reality. Whether due to career demands, educational pursuits, or personal circumstances, many couples find themselves separated by miles, yet bound by love. While distance may present its challenges, it does not necessarily spell doom for a relationship. With dedication, communication, and a willingness to adapt, couples can not only survive but thrive in the face of geographical separation. Here, we explore the intricacies of navigating the terrain of long-distance love, offering insights, strategies, and tips to help couples sustain and strengthen their bond across the miles. Communication, the lifeline of long-distance love. At the heart of every successful long-distance relationship lies effective communication. With physical distance inhibiting face-to-face interaction, couples must prioritize communication to bridge the emotional gap. Regular and open dialogue serves as the cornerstone of intimacy, fostering connection and understanding despite the miles that separate. In the digital age, technology offers a plethora of communication channels, from text messaging and video calls to social media platforms. Utilize these tools to stay connected throughout the day, sharing updates, thoughts, and emotions as if you were together in person. However, it's essential to find a balance that works for both partners, respecting each other's preferences and boundaries regarding communication frequency and mode. Beyond digital communication, handwritten letters, care packages, and surprise gifts can add a personal touch to your interactions, infusing your relationship with warmth and thoughtfulness. These tangible expressions of affection serve as reminders of your love and commitment, fostering a sense of closeness despite the physical distance. Trust, building a foundation of faith. Trust forms the bedrock of any healthy relationship, but it takes on heightened importance in the context of long-distance love. Without the ability to monitor each other's actions or movements, couples must cultivate unwavering trust in their partner's fidelity and intentions. Establishing trust begins with open and honest communication, where both partners feel comfortable discussing their feelings, insecurities, and concerns. Transparency is key, whether it's sharing details about your daily activities or addressing any apprehensions that may arise. Consistency and reliability also play a crucial role in building trust over time. Honor your commitments, follow through on promises, and demonstrate consistency in your words and actions. By showing up for each other consistently, you reinforce the belief that you can depend on one another, even when miles apart. It's important to recognize that trust is not a static state but an ongoing process that requires effort and nurturing. Address any issues or doubts that arise promptly, approaching them with empathy, understanding, and a willingness to work through challenges together. Independence, cultivating self-growth and fulfillment. While a long-distance relationship demands significant investment in your partnership, it's equally important to prioritize your individual growth and fulfillment. Embrace the opportunity that distance affords to pursue personal interests, hobbies, and goals that enrich your life outside of the relationship. Maintaining a healthy balance between togetherness and autonomy is essential for both partners' well-being and happiness. Resist the temptation to become overly dependent on your partner for validation or emotional support, instead fostering a sense of self-reliance and independence. Invest in self-care practices that nourish your physical, emotional, and mental well-being, whether it's exercising regularly, practicing mindfulness, or engaging in creative pursuits. Cultivate a strong support network of friends, family, and community connections to lean on during moments of loneliness or adversity. Encourage your partner to pursue their passions and aspirations wholeheartedly, celebrating their achievements and milestones from afar. By championing each other's individual growth and fulfillment, you strengthen the foundation of your relationship, fostering mutual respect, admiration, and support. Patience and adaptability, weathering the storms of distance. In the journey of long-distance love, patience and adaptability emerge as indispensable virtues. Distance introduces a myriad of challenges and obstacles, from conflicting time zones and communication barriers to feelings of loneliness and longing. Navigating these hurdles requires a resilient spirit and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. Practice patience as you navigate the complexities of time zones, schedules, and life commitments that may impact your ability to connect with your partner regularly. Be understanding of each other's constraints and limitations, finding creative solutions to bridge the gap whenever possible. Flexibility is key in adapting to the unpredictable nature of long-distance relationships. Embrace spontaneity and serendipity, seizing opportunities to connect with your partner whenever they arise, even if they deviate from your usual routine or plans. Embrace the journey as an opportunity for personal and relational growth, viewing challenges as opportunities to strengthen your bond and deepen your connection. Keep sight of the bigger picture, focusing on the love and shared vision that unite you despite the physical distance. Celebrating milestones and creating shared experiences. Despite the geographical separation, long-distance couples can still create meaningful memories and celebrate milestones together. From birthdays and anniversaries to holidays and special occasions, find creative ways to mark these moments and make them memorable. Plan virtual dates and activities that allow you to share experiences and create lasting memories despite the distance. Whether it's cooking a meal together over video call, watching a movie simultaneously, or playing online games, prioritize quality time spent together, no matter the medium. Surprise your partner with thoughtful gestures and tokens of affection that demonstrate your love and appreciation. From sending flowers or handwritten notes to organizing surprise visits or romantic getaways, find ways to keep the spark alive and make your partner feel cherished from afar. Create rituals and traditions that are unique to your relationship, providing a sense of continuity and connection across the miles. Whether it's exchanging daily messages before bed or sharing a virtual sunrise together each morning, these rituals serve as anchors that ground you in your love for one another. Looking to the future. Hope, commitment, and vision. While the challenges of long-distance love may seem daunting at times, it's essential to maintain hope, commitment, and a shared vision for the future. Keep sight of your long-term goals and aspirations as a couple, drawing strength and inspiration from the love that unites you. Communicate openly and honestly about your hopes, dreams, and plans for the future, aligning your visions and aspirations wherever possible. Discuss the possibility of closing the distance and establishing a shared timeline for when and how this may happen, keeping the lines of communication open and transparent. Stay connected to the bigger picture, focusing on the love and connection that transcend physical distance. Celebrate the milestones you've achieved together and look forward to the adventures that lie ahead, knowing that every challenge overcome brings you closer to your shared happily ever after. In conclusion, nurturing love across the miles. In the intricate dance of long-distance love, couples must navigate the terrain with patience, resilience, and unwavering commitment. By prioritizing effective communication, building trust, cultivating independence, and embracing adaptability, couples can not only survive but thrive in the face of geographical separation. Celebrate the moments of connection, cherish the memories made, and hold fast to the hope and vision that unite you as a couple. Remember that distance is merely a temporary obstacle on the journey of love, and with dedication, perseverance, and a whole lot of heart, you can weather any storm and emerge stronger together. So, as you embark on this journey of long-distance love, hold on to each other tightly, knowing that your love knows no bounds and that together, you can conquer any distance that lies between you. Navigating the complexities of a long-distance relationship is an ongoing journey, filled with moments of joy, challenges, and growth. To delve deeper into the nuances of sustaining love across the miles, let's explore additional strategies and insights that can further enrich and strengthen your connection. Emotional intimacy, fostering deep connection beyond the physical. In the absence of physical proximity, emotional intimacy becomes all the more essential in nurturing a fulfilling long-distance relationship. This depth of connection transcends mere surface interactions, encompassing shared values, vulnerabilities, and aspirations. Create opportunities for meaningful conversations that delve into the depths of your emotions, fears, and dreams. Share your innermost thoughts and feelings with honesty and vulnerability, allowing your partner to see and understand the true essence of who you are. Practice active listening and empathy, seeking to understand your partner's perspective and experiences without judgment or defensiveness. Validate their emotions and concerns, offering support and reassurance in times of need. Engage in activities that foster emotional intimacy, such as reading the same book and discussing it together, exchanging heartfelt letters or journal entries, or engaging in deep reflection through guided questions or prompts. By prioritizing emotional connection and vulnerability, you lay the groundwork for a relationship built on trust, understanding, and mutual respect, strengthening the bond that binds you together across the miles. Managing conflict, navigating disagreements with grace and understanding. Conflict is an inevitable part of any relationship, and long-distance love is no exception. However, managing disagreements and conflicts from a distance presents unique challenges, requiring patience, empathy, and effective communication. Approach conflicts with a willingness to listen, understand, and find common ground, even when miles apart. Avoid escalating disagreements through accusatory language or defensiveness, instead focusing on expressing your feelings and needs with clarity and compassion. Utilize technology to facilitate productive communication during times of conflict, such as video calls or voice messages, which allow for nuances in tone and expression that may be lost in text-based communication. Practice active problem-solving together, brainstorming solutions and compromises that address both partners' concerns and interests. Approach conflicts as opportunities for growth and deeper understanding, rather than threats to the relationship. It's essential to establish healthy conflict resolution strategies and boundaries early on in the relationship, ensuring that both partners feel heard, valued, and respected even in moments of disagreement. Building trust, strengthening the foundation of your relationship. Trust is the cornerstone of a healthy and thriving long-distance relationship, underpinning every interaction and decision made between partners. Cultivating trust requires consistency, reliability, and integrity in your words and actions. Be transparent and forthcoming about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, sharing both the highs and lows of your life with your partner. Avoid keeping secrets or withholding information that may erode trust and breed insecurity. Demonstrate reliability and consistency in your behavior, honoring your commitments and promises to your partner. Follow through on agreed-upon plans and agreements, showing that you can be counted on to support and prioritize your relationship. Refrain from engaging in behaviors that may undermine trust, such as flirting with others or keeping communication with ex-partners. Respect your partner's boundaries and expectations, ensuring that your actions align with the values and boundaries of your relationship. Trust is not built overnight but is nurtured through time, effort, and mutual respect. By prioritizing transparency, reliability, and integrity, you lay a solid foundation of trust upon which your relationship can thrive and flourish. Coping with loneliness. Finding solace and connection in self-care. Loneliness is an inevitable companion in the landscape of long-distance love, as partners grapple with the absence of physical presence and companionship. However, it's essential to recognize that loneliness is a natural emotion that can be managed and mitigated through self-care and connection. Invest in activities and hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment, whether it's pursuing creative endeavors, exploring nature, or engaging in physical exercise. Cultivate a rich and meaningful life outside of your relationship, nourishing your soul and spirit in ways that resonate with you. Stay connected to your support network of friends, family, and community, seeking solace and companionship in their company. Lean on your loved ones for emotional support and encouragement during moments of loneliness or despair. Practice mindfulness and self-compassion, acknowledging and validating your feelings of loneliness without judgment or self-criticism. Allow yourself to experience and process these emotions fully, knowing that they are a natural part of the human experience. Stay connected to your partner through regular communication and shared experiences, finding solace and connection in the moments of connection and intimacy that you share. Remind yourself of the love and connection that binds you together, drawing strength and comfort from your shared bond. Long-distance love, a journey of growth, resilience, and connection. In the tapestry of long-distance love, couples embark on a journey of growth, resilience, and connection, navigating the terrain with grace, understanding, and unwavering commitment. Despite the challenges and obstacles that may arise, love knows no bounds and transcends physical distance. By prioritizing effective communication, building trust, fostering emotional intimacy, and practicing self-care, couples can not only survive but thrive in the face of geographical separation. Embrace the opportunities for growth and connection that distance affords, cherishing the moments of love and togetherness that transcend time and space. As you embark on this journey together, hold fast to the belief that love conquers all and that with dedication, patience, and a whole lot of heart, you can weather any storm and emerge stronger together. Remember that distance is merely a temporary obstacle on the path to a lifetime of love, joy, and shared adventures. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.